Hello children, I am Nadia from Arunachala School. Today we are going to learn Kaksha 3 Part 5 Bahadur Bito. Bahadur Bito is the very interesting story. Okay children, let's start today's topic. Bahadur Bito. Bahadur Bito means brave Bito. Bito is the name of the lady character in this story. Okay. एक किसान था. There was a farmer. उसकी बीवी का नाम था बितो. His wife name was बितो. एक दिन किसान ने बितो से कहा, सुबह जब मैं खेत में हल चला रहा था तो वह शेर ने आकर कहा. One day the farmer said to his wife, when I was plowing in the field in the morning, one lion came to me and said, किसान अपना बैल मुझे देते वरना तुझे खा जाऊंगा. Farmer, give me your bull or else I will eat you. So the lion was asking the farmer's bull or else he was saying that he will eat that farmer. बितो ने उससे पूछा, तूने क्या जवाब दिया? बितो asked him, what did you reply? किसान ने कहा, मैंने तू यही रुक मैं घर जाकर अपनी गाय ले आता हूँ. अगर तू बैल का लेगा तो हम लोग भूखों मर जाएंगे. So Bito asked him, what did you reply? The farmer said, I said you stay here. I go to home and bring my cow. Okay. So यह सुनकर बितो को बहुत गुस्सा आया. Hearing this, Bito got very angry. उसने किसान को फटकारा, घर की गाय शेर को खिलाते तुझे शर्म नहीं आती. She scolding the farmer and said, aren't ashamed of feeding our cow to the lion? अगर गाय चली गई तो घर में ना दूध ना लस्सी. If cow goes, there won't be any lassi and milk in our house. बच्चे रोटी किस चीज के साथ खाएंगे? What will the kids eat within the roti? Roti means food. बितो को एक तरकीब सूझी. Okay, बितो got an idea. उसने कहा, तुम फौरन खेत में जाकर शेर को कहा कि मेरी बितो तुम्हारे खाने के लिए एक घोड़ा लेकर आ रही है. Bito got an idea. She said, you quickly go to the field and tell the lion that my wife was bringing a horse to feed you. किसान डरता डरता शेर के पास गया. Farmer went to the lion with fear. उसने कहा, शेर राजा हमारी गाय तो बड़ी मरियल है. Lion king, my cow was very weak. उसे तुम्हारा क्या बनेगा? मेरी बीवी अभी तुम्हारे लिए एक मोटा दासा घोड़ा लेकर आ रही है. He said, Lion King, our cow was very weak. You won't be satisfied that. So my wife was bringing fat and healthy horse for you. See the picture children. This is turban. Okay. This is a sickle. दरांदी. बितो ने सिर पर एक बड़ा सा बगट बांधा और हाथ में दरांदी लेकर घोड़े पर सवार हो गई. Bito wore a big turban on her head and holding the sickle in her hand, sat on the horse. घोड़ा दौड़ा दी वह खेत पर पहुंची. Running the horse, she reached the field. उस बितो जोर से चिल्लाई. She shouted loudly. अरे किसान, तू तो कहता था कि तूने 4 शेरों का फार्म्स कर रहा है. Hey farmer, you only said you have captured 4 lions. हम तो सिर्फ एक ही है. But there is only one. बाकी कहाँ है? Where are the rest of them? फिर घोड़े से उधर कर शेर की तरफ बढ़ी और कहने लगी, अच्छी एक बात नहीं, नाश्ते में एक ही शेर काफी है. Then she go down from the horse and walk towards a lion and she said, okay, no problem, one lion is enough for our breakfast. इतना सुनना था कि शेर डर के मारे कांपने लगा और भाग गड़ा हुआ. Hearing this, the lion started shivering of fear and ran away. यह देखकर बितो बोली, देखा इसे कहते हैं हिम्मत. Seeing this, the Bito said, see, this is called bravery. तुम तो इतना डरपोक होगी. घर की गाय शेर के हवाले कर रहे थे. "You such a coward that you are going to feed our cow to the lion." So she was saying that his husband was coward, that he was going to hand over the cow to the lion. उधर मारे भूखे शेर की आंदें चटपटा रही थीं. On the other side, because of the hunger, the lion was all shaken up. And wolf was there. एक भेड़िए पूछा. So the wolf was asked him, "What? महाराज क्या मामला है? King, what happened?" "Oh, बाज बहुत उदास दिखाई रहे हैं." "You look sad today." शेर ने कहा, कुछ ना पूछो, आज मुश्किल से जान बची है. "Don't ask me. Today great difficulty. I was saved my life." एक ऐसी राक्षसी से पाला पट गया जो रोज सुबह 4 शेरों का नाश्ता करती है. Today I met a devil. She eats 4 lions for her breakfast. यह सुनकर भेड़िया बहुत हंसा. Hearing this, the wolf laughed loudly. वह सुबह झाड़ी में छिपकर सारा तमाशा देख रहा था. Hiding in the field, he saw everything. What happened in the morning? उसने कहा, बोले बादशाह. He said, innocent king. वह तो बितो थी जिसे आपने राक्षसी समझ लिया था. It was बितो who you thought राक्षसी. आप इस बार फिर कोशिश करके देखिए. You try one more time. अगर बैल आपके हाथ न आए तो मेरा नाम भेड़िया नहीं. If you didn't get bull in this time, my name is not wolf. बहुत कहने सुनने पर शेर किसान के खेत में जाने के लिए तैयार हो गया. After the long time, the lion agreed to go to the farmer's field. लेकिन उसने भेड़िए से कहा, तुम अपनी पूंछ मेरी पूंछ में बांध लो. But he said to the wolf, do one thing, tie your tail with mine. Why he had said so? So that if the bitto eats him, the wolf also be got. Okay? दोनों जने पूंछ बांधकर चल पड़े. Both of them walked to the field, tying the tails together. उन्हें देखते ही किसान के होश हवास गुम हो गए. वह डर से दर कांपने लगा, लेकिन बितो बिल्कुल नहीं घबराई. Seeing them, the farmer panicked, but Bito didn't get scared at all. भेड़िए के पास जाकर उसने कहा, she went to the wolf. क्यों रे भेड़िए, तू तो अभी वादा करके गया था कि तू अपनी पूंछ से 4 शेर बांध कर लाएगा, लेकिन तू तो सिर्फ एक ही शेर लाया है, वह भी मरियल सा. She went to the wolf and she said, "Oh wolf, you just promised to be that you will be bring 4 lions for me tied on your tail, but you have brought only 1 lion, that too very weak." भला इसे खाकर मेरी भूख मिट सकती है. खैर, इस वक्त यही सही. इतना कर भी तो आगे बढ़ी. Can I satisfy my hunger with this? Whatever. This time this is fine. Saying this, Bito walked towards a lion. शेर के होश हवास उठ गए. उसने समझा कि भेड़िए ने उसके साथ धोखा किया है. वह फौरन वहां से भागा. The lion thought the wolf had cheated him. He ran away from their field. A wolf. भेड़िया बहुत चीखा चिल्लाया. A wolf screamed a lot. लेकिन शेर के एक ना सुनी. But the lion not hear at all. देसी से भागता चला गया. Lion kept on running fast. किसान और बितो आराम से रगने लगे. उन्हें मालूम था कि अब शेर उनके खेत की तरफ फिर कभी नहीं आएगा. Bito and farmer lived peacefully. They knew the lion won't come to their field at all. Okay, children. Story over. Then what is the moral of the story? Yeah, whatever the situation can be, if you brave enough, we can handle it very nicely, because the farmer was very scared. He was about to hand over his house to the lion. But what Bito did? Yes, Bito thought an idea. Then what Bito did? She made the lion believe that he is in danger. She made the lion run away from their field. Okay children, hope you understood the story. Thank you children.